Hello children of class 2, again I am here to teach you English literature. Now today we will be seeing what things can come in exam for your half yearly exam. So let's take out this workbook and a pencil in your hand. So when you open this, you get the content. In the content, there are 3 chapters coming for half yearly. That is, first, the Little Red Hen, second, Satya's Watch Out, and the third one is the Stone Soup. We have finished off everything. Now let's mark what all things you have to learn. First and the foremost thing is no question answer will come from this. So no need to learn the question answers. Put a cross over there. See here. Then opposites will come. This is a crossword puzzle. This will not come. Again, this can come. Match the following. Then circle all the shapes in these sentences. It can also come. Okay. Then go to the next page. This countable and uncountable noun will not come. So please cross it down. Then this can come. Come to the next page, that is page number 9. These are the again plurals. Plurals are very important. So it can also come. These are also the plurals. So just revise this. These both can come. Now come to the next part. This writing skills will not come. Put a cross over there. Then come to the next part. Choose the correct answer. Again, you have to learn it. Again, the question answers are there. You don't have to learn the question answers. Put a cross over here. Then, this thing. Please put a cross over here and here. This will not come in the exam. Then, do and does. You have to do it. It can come in the exam. Do and does. And go or go or goes. So this page, from this page number 13, this 2 will not come, but this 2 can come. Okay. Now come to the writing part. It will not come. Writing part will not come. Then come to the next part, that is the Stone Soup, page number 22. Again, this you have to learn. Choose the correct answers. The true and false, you have to learn it. This is very important. You have to learn this. This is also very important because this is how to where to use capital letter, full stop, and the question mark. So this is very important. Then again, the plurals are very important. This contraction, this one will not come. This one, like in a sentence, cannot come, but in the your course book, short forms are given. Are plus not, should plus not, that can come. But these kinds of sentences of contraction will not come. So put a cross over there. We will do in the revision, we will be doing this, the short forms of this, which is given in the reader book. That is the course book, main book. And this exercise will not come. So for today, what I have given you in this video, that the things which are coming and things which are not coming. So from this book, question answer specially you don't have to learn, because mainly this book is about grammar. So we will take the small things and we will do the revision part. So from tomorrow, I will give you the revision of this one, of both the things, of whole literature, because you know the paper is of only 50 marks. So small things I have to give you for the revision. Especially give your concentration on the plural part. The plurals are very important. So you have to concentrate on the plural. I will give you the revision also for that. Thank you, children.